What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. This video I want to talk about critical points and increasing and decreasing interval. So here the derivative of a function is given, f prime x, which is x times x minus 1. We need to find out the critical point of f, and we need to find out on what interval is f increasing or decreasing, and at what points, if any, does f assume local maximum and minimum values. So here, first of all, critical points are those points that make f prime equals to 0. So we have x times x minus 1, make it equal to 0, and we will have two roots, one of them 0, one of them 1. So we have two critical points. Now, that's going to be the answer for the first part. And the second part, it says on what intervals is f increasing or decreasing. So we know when f prime is positive, it means that the function is increasing. And whenever f prime is negative, f is decreasing. So we have 0 and 1. I'm gonna make it like this. Here we have x, here we have x minus 1. Here the multiplication of them is gonna be f prime. And on this side we have 0, 1. And this region is all numbers x values less than 0, all x values between 0 and 1, and all x values greater than 1. So that's going to be negative 1, let's say. Just assume a number. Here 0.5, and here we're going to have 1.5. Then, when you sub it there, that's negative. This one is positive, this one is positive. For x minus 1, negative 1 is going to be negative 2, so it's going to be negative. 0.5 minus 1 is going to be negative. 1.5 minus 1 is going to be positive. So negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, negative. Positive times positive is positive. So here is increasing. This one is decreasing. This one is increasing. So we can say for x values less than 0 is increasing, from 0 to 1 is decreasing, and for all numbers greater than 1 is increasing because the derivative is positive. Now that's increasing and then decreasing. It's going to be something like that. It means that point 0 is maximum. And here at point 1, right to the left of it is decreasing, and to the right is increasing. So it's going to be minimum at point 1. So that's going to be the answer to the third part. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, any part that you didn't understand. And you can also subscribe this channel to have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.